Hello viewers, welcome to Saleh Academy. This is the second lecture on physics. Today we will learn about physical quantities, their units and different system of units. We observe many phenomena occurring in our surrounding. Some are natural and some are man-made. To describe any phenomena, one should familiar with the physical quantities associated with the phenomena. For example, a fruit is falling from a tree. To understand this natural phenomena, we should know from which height does the fruit fall, how much time does it take to reach the ground, what is the speed of fall of the fruit. The height, time, and speed are the physical quantities. Now to answer all these questions, first of all we need to learn what physical quantities are, how they are measured, and what are their units. Basically, there are two types of physical quantities. First one is fundamental quantities and second one is derived quantities. Fundamental quantities are those physical quantities that cannot be expressed in terms of other quantities. It is independent on its own. For example, length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. Now the derived quantities are those quantities which are obtained by multiplying or dividing base quantities with each other. For example, speed, acceleration, density, volume, area, etc. Now as we have learned about the physical quantities, we will move further with the discussion about the unit of physical quantities. So what is the unit of a physical quantity? The answer is, a unit of a physical quantity is the standard measure of that quantity. For example, the unit of length is meter, or we can write it just m in a short form. Similarly, the unit of mass is kilogram or just kg. Unit of time is second or s. Unit of electric current is ampere, or we can write it as a capital A. Unit of temperature is Kelvin or K. Unit of amount of substance is mole, or we can write it as a mol. And finally, the unit of luminous intensity is candela or CD. These are the units of fundamental quantities which do not need of another unit for the measurement. Now we will see the units of derived quantities. As you can see that to measure the derived quantities, we need more than one unit to measure the particular derived quantity. For example, to measure the speed we need length upon time. Therefore, there is m upon s as a unit. Similarly, to measure the acceleration, length is divided by square of time. Hence, we can see there is a meter per square of second as a unit. Kg per meter cube for density, 3 times length for measuring volume, and 2 times length for measuring area. List of derived quantities is too large to display here. Only few of them are shown for demonstration. However, wherever you see a unit having more than one letter of unit, you can confidently say that it is a derived quantity. Now we will talk about the different systems of units. There are basically 5 systems of units, among which only one system is internationally accepted. The first system of units is FPS system or British system, in which length is measured in foot, mass is measured in pound, and time is measured in second. The second system of units is CGS system. In this system, length is measured in centimeter, mass is measured in gram, and time is measured in second. The third system of units is MKS system. In this system, length is measured in meter, mass is measured in kilogram, and time is measured in second. The fourth system of units is MKS system. In this system, length is measured in meter, mass is measured in kilogram, time is measured in second, and electric current is measured in ampere. Finally, the fifth system of units is SI system. This system of units is universally accepted with seven fundamental quantities, which we have already seen in the list of fundamental quantities. Let's learn little bit more about SI system. SI system was universally accepted in the year of 1971 by the 14th General Conference on Weights and Measures under the leadership of International Bureau of Weights and Measures located at Paris in France. Seven quantities are accepted as fundamental quantities, which we have learned previously. Today we have learned about physical quantities, their units, and different system of units. The upcoming topics will be covered in my upcoming videos, so stay connected. Happy learning. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.